previous video we have finished exercise 1.3 up to question number 9. Now let's see question number 10. Write an irrational number between root 3 and root 5. Write an irrational number between root 3 and root 5. Root 3 is an irrational number, root 5 is also an irrational number. So to get an irrational number between two irrational numbers, we have to multiply the two irrational numbers inside the square root. Under square root, we have to multiply the two irrational numbers. Therefore, we can write here an irrational number between root 3 and root 5 is equal to square root of root 3 into root 5. That is equal to, under square root we have to multiply the two irrational numbers, then we will get an irrational number between the two irrational numbers, between root 3 and root 5. So under the square root I have multiplied the two irrational numbers, that is root 3 and root 5. Square root of root 3 into root 5. Square root of a into square root of b, what is only? Square root of a into square root of b is equal to, we can write square root of a into b. Square root of a into square root of b is equal to square root of a into b. So square root of 3 into square root of 5 is equal to, what is the answer? Square root of 3 into 5 we can write. So here it will come square root of 3 into 5. Then that is equal to square root of 3 5s are 15. That is equal to square root of, this square root we can write it as 15 raised to as a power, that is 1 divided by 2. Square root of 15, there is a formula, okay, that is nth root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by n. Square root, here square root means it is 2. Cube root means we used to write 3. Cube root of 15. Or square root of 15 means actually what is the number here? 2. So nth root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by n. Then square root of 15 is equal to, what will come answer? 15 raised to 1 divided by 2. 15 raised to 1 by 2. Again this square root also you make it as a power. That is here 15 raised to 1 by 2 is there. Again square root is there. This square root I am going to make it as a power. Then the whole raised to, what will come? 1 divided by 2 will come. Now it is of the form a raised to m into a raised to m the whole raised to n. A raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to, what is the formula? A raised to m into n. 15 raised to 1 by 2, the whole raised to 1 by 2 is equal to, what is the answer? 15 raised to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 15 raised to 1 into 1 divided by 2 2s are 4. That is equal to, we can write fourth root of 15. So fourth root of 15 is 15 raised to 1 by 2. We can write fourth root of 15. See this one. A raised to 1 by n is equal to nth root of a, we can write. A raised to 1 by n is equal to nth root of a, implies 15 raised to 1 by 4 is equal to, we can write fourth root of 15. Fourth root of 15. So a 15 raised to 1 by 4 is equal to a fourth root of 15. That is an irrational number between root 3 and root 5. That is irrational number between root 3 and root 5. Okay, now let's see question number 11. Find which of the variables x, y, z represent rational numbers and which irrational numbers. Here it is given there variables x, y and z. Which variables represent rational numbers and which variables represent irrational numbers, that we have to find out. So first we can write question number 1. X square is equal to 5. X is equal to what is value? X square is equal to 5. Then therefore x is equal to, what will come answer? Square transposing to next side, it will become square root. So it will come square root of 5. We know that root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore we can write x is an irrational number. X is an irrational. The next one. Number 2, y square is equal to 0.04. y is equal to, what will come as? Square transposing to next side, it will become a square root of 0.04. Square root of 0.04. What is the answer? 0. Square root of 0.04. 0.04 we can write as 4 divided by 100. 4 divided by 100 is 0.04. Now take the square root. Square root of 0.04 is equal to square root of 4 divided by 100. That is equal to square root of 4 is 2 divided by square root of 100 10. 2 divided by 10. What is answer? 0.2. That means 0.2 into 0.2 is equal to, we will get 0.04. So square root of 0.04 is equal to, what is the answer? 0.2. 0.2. Therefore we can write y is a rational number. 0.2 is a rational number. So y is a rational number. Now find out z. Third question. Z square is equal to 17 divided by 4. Z is equal to, what will get answer? Square transposing to next side, it will become square root of 17 divided by 4. Z is equal to square root of 17 divided by square root of 4. What is the answer? 2. Root 17 is an irrational number. So Z represents an irrational number. Therefore we can write answer here. Therefore Z is an irrational number. Now let's see question number 12. Express 0.6 plus 0.7 bar plus 0.47 bar in the form of P divided by Q, where PQ belongs to Z and Q not equal to 0. PQ, this symbol read as belongs to Z, integers. So P and Q are integers, that is a given condition. P and Q are integers and Q should not be 0. So we have to express 0.6 plus 0.7 bar plus 0.47 bar in the form of P divided by Q. First we will express separate, after that we will add it. That means 0.6 first we will express it as in the form of P by Q, after that 0.7 bar, after that 0.47 bar, then we will add it, then we will get the answer. So first we will represent this 0.6 in the form of P divided by Q. So first we have to write 0.6 is equal to, what is the answer? 6 divided by 10. 0.6 is equal to 6 divided by 10. Direct we can write that one. 6 divided by 10 is equal to, what is the answer? 0.6. Now second one, take 0.7 bar. 0.7 bar. This one is first one. Second one is 0.7 bar. 0.7 bar. Already we have studied how to represent these rational numbers in the form of P by Q. That is, if non-terminating recurring decimals, how can be represented in the form of P by Q. In question number 3 we have studied that one. Just revise that question number 3 once more, then you will understand that one. Now here 0.7 bar we have to express it in the form of P by Q. So we will take let x is equal to 0.7777 etc. That we will write equation 1. After that, multiplying both sides by 10. Multiplying both sides by 10, we get, what will we get? 10 into x, that is 10x is equal to 10 into 0.777 etc. This decimal point will go one place right side, it will become 7.7777 etc. That we will write equation 2. Now we have to subtract these two equations, that is subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1 we have to subtract from equation 2. 10x minus x, what is the answer? 9x is equal to 7.777 etc. minus 0.777 etc. 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 0, 7. That means 7.000 it will come. That is 7 only. Therefore, x is equal to, what is the answer? 7 divided by 9. Now, x is equal to 7 by 9. Therefore, x is 0.7 bar. Therefore, 0.7 bar is equal to, we have expressed in the form of P divided by Q, that is 7 divided by 9. Now, third one, 0.47 bar. Third one is 0.47 bar only. That also will take the same way. Let x is equal to 0.4, 7 only bar, so 7 only repeating, 7, 7, 7, etc. That we will write equation 1. Multiplying both sides by 10, we get, why we are multiplying by both sides by 10? Because one digit is not repeating, that is why first we are multiplying 10. After that again we have to multiply it by 10. 10 into x, that is 10x is equal to 10 into 0.4777, etc. Decimal point will go one place right side, it will become 4.777, etc. That is equation 2. Now again we have to multiply once more, because after the decimal point one digit is repeating. So multiplying both sides by, again multiplying both sides by 10, we get 10 into 10x, that is 100x is equal to 10 into 4.777, etc. Decimal point will go one place right side, that is 47.777, etc. That will write equation 3. Now subtract it. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 3. From equation 3, we get, subtract it, 100x minus 10x, that is 100 minus 10, 90x is equal to 47.777, etc. minus 4.777, etc. 7 minus 7, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 7 minus 4, 3, then 4 minus nothing is there, that is 43. Therefore, x is equal to, what is the answer? 43 divided by 90. 43 divided by 90. X we have taken here for 0.47 bar. Therefore, 0.47 bar is equal to 7 only bar. Remember that. 43 divided by 90. Now we can find out this one. Therefore, 0.6 plus 0.7 bar plus 0.47 bar is equal to 0.6. We got answer first. 0.6 is equal to 6 by 10. 0.6 is equal to 6 by 10 plus 0.7 bar. 0.7 bar is equal to 7 by 9. 7 divided by 9 plus 0.47 bar. Just now we got 43 divided by 90. 43 divided by 90. Here we have to take LCM. What is LCM? That is equal to 10, 9, 90. 90 will come LCM. 90, then numerator 6 by 10 into 90 plus 7 by 9 into 90 plus 43 by 90 into 90. That is equal to 90 by 10, that is 9. 90 by 9, 10. 90, 90 we can cancel. 6 9s are 54 plus 7 into 10, 70 plus 43 divided by 90. That is equal to, add it, 54 plus 70 plus 43. 54 plus 70 plus 43. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 4, 16. 167 divided by 167 divided by 90. That is the answer. Okay, now, dear children, it is the end of exercise 1.3. This one was the last question. A remaining portion we will study in the next video. Thank you so much.